Okay, so the majority of people that watch my channel are men, and a lot of us go to the gym simply to attract more women. Let's be honest, okay? Especially if you are young or even if you're older, you have said to yourself, you know what, I want to watch Ram Goom and I'm going to transform my body. Now it's time to attract women because, hey, I'm lean, I'm muscular, I've got the muscles, I've got the abs, because I watch all Ram Goom videos, okay? In this video, I'm going to be telling you, let's say, scientifically proven, because I'm just going to add that in the title because everyone will be like, wow, it's scientifically proven, because it actually is. Research, studies, experiments and a lot, okay? So it's scientifically proven, okay, that these are the things which actually attract more women. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Let's get talking about some points how you are going to pull the woman. Women, not only one, you're going to be pulling multiple women. Number one, I'm going to recommend wear cologne. Now, cologne is actually very important because it not only attracts like more women because you're gonna smell so good, but it also makes you feel a lot more better. Like, try it yourself. You have some nice cologne, put it on your neck and you'll feel so much more better about yourself. You'll feel like, you know what, I feel alive. And the cologne is very important, all right? And it's gonna make you smell a lot more better. It's gonna make you feel more confident. That is something which is gonna instantly attract more women to you, okay? So when you go out and about, I'm not saying go and spend like £200, £300, nice cologne which you like and it's gonna make you feel better. Just one there, don't just spray the whole bottle, and it's gonna make a huge difference to how you carry yourself. Tip number two now is your clothing. Clothing is very important again because it shows that you actually care about yourself, and it's gonna make you look a lot more better by wearing some nice clothes. Now when I mean nice clothes, again, I'm not saying like the entire video, I'm not saying go and spend loads and loads of money on these things. You will need to spend a little bit of money, not like hundreds and hundreds, okay? Some nice clothes, and that's gonna make a big difference how the world sees not only women but also how everyone out there sees, you know, wears a wicked clothes, has wicked dress sense. That's gonna play a huge difference how you carry yourself, and again, it's going to make you feel a lot more confident when you just simply dress better. Now the next point is how you're going to attract more women is simply looking after your body, okay? Now how are you going to look after your body? Now if you simply don't know how to look after your body, you don't know what to do in the gym, you don't know what to eat, I want to recommend you to join the 90-day shedding plan. I'll point my finger down because there's a link in the bio. It's the full guide on how you are going to look more better, meaning that you're going to lose the fat, you're going to build lean muscle and be more confident about your body. I've helped transform thousands of people around the world. I've used this program on myself, and this is my transformation somewhere here, one of the two. And you can see I was fat, I did the cardio, I did the weight training on the program, followed the diet plan, and this is the result. By following a 90-day training plan, you will get that lean physique that's gonna make you pull more women, make you feel more confident, and get that shredded physique that you always wanted. I've called it the 90-day training plan. A lot of my clients will stop when they get lean because they're like, hey, you know what, I look good, man, that's enough, you know. I've got some nice muscle mass, I've got some nice abs, I'm lean. Shredded is like simply dry shredded, where you don't have much fat. It's more like kind of body fat where you're gonna go compete, okay? But a lean physique is very important, and it can definitely help you to attract more women. Now the next point is now have goals in your life. Now if you have goals in your life, you're going to show someone, so let's say you're on a date, okay, and they ask you, right, what is your goal? I mean, I don't know if they're going to ask you that on a date, but you're showing the woman, okay, that you know what you want in life, and it's going to make you more attractive when you simply have goals in your life and you know 5 years down the line, this is what I want to do. It doesn't have to have a goal that, oh, I want a Bentley, I want a Ferrari, I want a Lamborghini, all these, you know, materialistic goals. I'm not saying a goal like that. I mean, it could be in a goal in your career, just some sort of direction, well, good direction that you want to aim for. That's going to make you a lot more attractive instead of just simply don't know what to do in your life and you don't have no goals, no ambitions. That is not going to make you feel more confident. Now the next point, let me just go straight into it. That is because I'm looking at myself, I'm like, you know what, I'm not sitting right. This is actually walk with confidence. Now the reason why I say I'm going to talk about it now, because that actually means also your body language. The only reason why I'm quite slouched is because the camera is quite low. You walking with your chest out, back straight, I know I'm out of the camera straight away, but it's gonna make you look more confident, and it's gonna show people that, hey, this guy means business, okay? So let me give you a quick example, because we all love examples, okay? So we're on a date, all right? We're a few minutes late, okay? And the woman's there, all right? Your date, okay? Now, instead of just walking in the door like, hello, you okay? You know what I mean? It doesn't show that this guy, it doesn't show a good first impression, okay? If you talk with confidence, walk with confidence, chest out, back to you mean business, it's gonna show, you know what? This guy means business. He is a person who knows what he's on about, just like simply from walking and talking a lot more better. Walk with confidence, okay? Don't walk with like that, you know what I mean? That let me sitting like this, yeah, does that show that, you know, I'm confident, okay? It doesn't matter if I am confident or I'm not confident, that's irrelevant. I'm just talking about how I'm sitting and how I'm presenting myself. But if I'm like this, okay, if I'm like that, it shows you more confident. Now the next point is now your teeth. I don't know if do I have great teeth? No, okay, but that is now look after your teeth, okay? Because when you are talking, when you are smiling, your teeth is always showing, okay? So look after your teeth. If it means invest a little bit of money by going to the dentist. A lot of men and women are quite insecure at times. Not all men and women, but a majority are quite insecure about their teeth, and they won't even simply smile in a picture. And you're doing things like this because they are not confident about their teeth. I'm really like exaggerating my mouth because I want to show the teeth, but I'm not saying my teeth are great or anything like that. But what I'm trying to say, look after your teeth, clean them often, and that's going to make you a lot more attractive instantly by simply just having a better set of teeth. Now the last point is now make her laugh, okay? So you've got the physique, you've done all the things I've said, finally you bag yourself a date, okay, with a, let's say 10 out of 10, right? So you're on a date, right? Now you gotta somehow just make her laugh, okay? When I mean make her laugh, I'm not saying start cracking random jokes, you know, just trying to really force the laughter. I'm not saying that. Make her smile. That's gonna make you a lot more attractive because you've ticked up all the things I've said, alright? Now it's just the last thing. Boom. Boys, hope this video helps you guys. Subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, and like I said, if you're serious about transforming your physique, click the first link in the bio. Get yourself onto the 90-day shredding plan. This is a program which is designed to get you ripped and shredded in only 90 days. Again, when I mean shredded, more of a lean look. Okay, so you have nice abs, nice amount of muscle mass, and it's helped thousands of people around the world to get the physique that they always have wanted. If you want to see any more videos in the future, let me know in the comment section below. Peace out, goodbye. Let me do a nice transition. Let me just do the typical YouTube transition. Okay guys, goodbye. Get your hand